Hello, teacher and classmate. My name is William Andres Cabrera Castro from English 3, Group 129. At this time, I'm going to talk a little bit about the topic of health in the world and also in Colombia and in my life. At this time, the topic of health has been very important worldwide since we were going through a series of situations in our life in which we had to take refuge in our homes because the pandemic, which affected much of the normality in our life. Also, this virus made us to do things that no one could have imagined. For example, we had to stop going out to visit friends or relatives, also our families. We stopped going out to park, concerts. Also, we adapted to a more sedentary life because we could not go out to exercise in a gym or even in the street because the symptoms of the virus were very strong and people died without being able to have almost any real help. For example, in my case, we went to a hospital, but nobody helped us because there were not any like medicine to avoid the symptoms. In this case, this pandemic forced us to leave many things on the way. For example, many people continue to work, but in their homes, many times we could only go out to buy food because we always went out with the fear of catching COVID 19. Also, with respect to health, this pandemic didn't stop us from going out to exercise again. It also affect us mentally and emotionally because we had to spend a lot of time at home and we'd hardly talk to people in person. We could only contact each other by phone or chat. It also affect us because many relationships ended since there were almost no time to go out with our friends, with girlfriends or family. For example, we have many family lives in Ibagué and Florencia Queta, and we could not go there to visit them for this situation. So thank you so much and have a good day.